Welcome. Let's learn how to unlock Voiceitt Captions for Microsoft Teams. First, make sure you have a paid Microsoft 365 account for your home or business. Then, download the Microsoft Teams app and enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. Then enter your Microsoft password and sign in. Once signed in, the host can add Voiceitt to a meeting before it begins. You can also add Voiceitt to a chat or to a meeting while it's happening. To avoid any glitches, it's best to add Voiceitt to the meeting before it occurs. To schedule a meeting, click on the calendar icon and click New Meeting. Once your meeting is scheduled, click the app's icon at the bottom left of your screen and type Voiceitt at the top. When Voiceitt Captions pops up as an option, click Add. Then click Add to a Meeting. Choose the meeting from the drop-down menu, or go back and schedule a meeting. Then click the blue Setup button. Do not press the arrow key or any of the options that pop up there, as this will prevent Voiceitt from being properly added. Sign in using your Voiceitt email and password. Then click the arrow button and click Save. Or if you just want to be able to view someone else's Voiceitt captions, click View as a Guest. Voiceitt has now been added to a meeting. Let's explore how to add Voiceitt to a chat. First, click the chat icon. Then click the plus sign. Search for and add Voiceitt. Let's explore how to add Voiceitt to your meetings while they're happening. You can join someone else's meeting link or click Meet Now to start a meeting immediately. Click Join Now to enter the meeting. Click the app's icon at the top bar of your meeting. Type in Voiceitt, then click Add. You will now see Voiceitt as a participant in the meeting. All meeting participants must click the Voiceitt Captions icon in the top bar to use or view Voiceitt Captions. Begin speaking to see your Voiceitt Captions on the right side of your screen. Please visit us at voiceitt.com, and thanks for using Voiceitt Captions for Microsoft Teams.